get started, click that notification bell. Give me a thumbs up because I know you're going to love this video. / like. You're going to love it. And do not forget to subscribe, okay? Somewhere over here. Click that button. Stay watching. Hey, y'all. I'm Jessica with Mine That Made Me Do It. Check this out. Super cute. So you know Halloween is coming, right? I know. And you either can go to Walmart and you can go buy a basket for your kid, or you can make one. I think you should make one. You know what I'm saying? I think it's so cute, you know, and you'll be the best mom ever. So, here's what you'll need. Head over to Little Lizard King and grab the basket tutorial pattern, which is not a pattern, but basket tutorial. Print off your cutting chart. Get you some of these pins. Yeah, because you're gonna need them. I like this little thing. Look, check this out. I don't know if you can see it, but look at this. Ooh. I let Miley use this all the time. She's like my little vacuum cleaner. Rotary cutter. Fabric marker. What is this? Your little ruler. Y'all, you don't even need tape. Iron. And don't forget your sunglasses. I'm just playing. You don't need the sunglasses. It's just as cute. Let's get started. And this is what you'll need. Your lining fabric, main fabric, interfacing for your strap and your strap piece. Let's get started. Okay, grab your iron, and what you're going to do is you're going to fold your strap piece in half. Just like this. What we're doing, we're getting the center of your straps, okay? All right, let's open it back up here. And now you'll take, on one side of your strap, you take that raw end and you're going to butt it up against the center mark that you just made, the center crease you just made. Just like that. And then you're just gonna repeat this for the other side. Okay, so I have my strap pieces here. I got both of these raw ends pressed towards the center seam, like that. Now what you'll do is you're going to get your interfacing, and you're just gonna open up one of your seams here. Place your interfacing on one side where the center seam is. So you just pick a side. You can then go this side or that side. Doesn't even matter. So you just pick a side and you're going to iron your interfacing where butted up against that center seam here. Just like that. You see, this is how it's going to fold. Alright. So just iron that off. So now what you're going to do is you're just going to fold those creases back together. Just like that. You're going to pin here along the folded side. You see? Pin these sides up. Take this to your sewing machine and do a straight stitch. Close up this seam here and then do another straight stitch along the fold here. So I took my strap to the sewing machine and I just did a straight stitch to close this open seam and did another straight stitch on the fold just to give it just make it look good and stable. Okay, now I'm going to put this to the side. Okay, so I have my interfacing iron on the back of my main fabric, just like that. Now just get your lining fabric and your main fabric, okay? I'm going to start with your main fabric. What you do is we're going to fold the main fabric in half, just like that. Now we're going to pin along both sides, all 4 sides. I took our lining and main piece and I sewed on both sides. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna box our basket, okay? Give it a little more, you know, a little cute shape. Grab your fabric marker and you'll need your ruler. What I like to start off with is you can get your main or your lining, doesn't matter. And you just match up these seams here, just like that, match these seams up, all right? Start on one side and you can finger press this or iron, finger press or iron your side seams here, okay? And I'm only doing this so then I can get a really good accurate box line. It won't be all over the place. It'll look the same. So I'm just gonna match these seams up here and take my little clippy, open my seams up on both sides. I'm just gonna put that here, just like that. All right, I'm just gonna work with one side right now. So I'm just gonna finger press this open here and get that, just like that. Finger press this side, and then what you'll do is you're going to measure 2 3/4 inch up from the bottom here. Make a mark, or you can use a pen. Doesn't matter, on both sides. Okay. So after you get your marks together, now you're going to connect them. Connect these two marks together, just like that. You're going to draw a line using your fabric marker across. And you'll take this to your sewing machine and you're going to sew across here. So a straight line from one side of your basket to your other side. Repeat this same step for the rest of your main and your lining. I also find it easy for you to just take a pin and attach the two sides here. See, I just attached them so then it won't move while you're doing your other side. I took this to the sewing machine and I did it a straight stitch across, and you see you got this triangle here. I did this for both the main and the lining on both sides. So what you'll do next is you'll get your scissors and you're just gonna trim this down on all 4 sides. Okay, so look at that. You got your little box. How cute is that? Okay, so I have turned my lining piece right side out like this, okay? Grab your strap piece here and match it on the raw ends, just like that. On one side of your basket, and then you'll turn it around and you'll match it to this side of your basket. Making sure that your strap piece is not twisted, okay? Like I said, y'all gotta work too hard. There we go. So look, we have put our strap on. Now just take this to the sewing machine and just do like a stay stitch for both sides. Okay, so I took it to the sewing machine and I just attached my strap to my lining piece. Just did just a straight stitch so then I can remove my pins. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna take your lining of your basket and we're going to put it into the main, right sides together. Find your side seams and you'll match your side seams up here. And you're gonna pin. I have my basket pinned all the way around and I just left a 3-inch opening. Like, make that 5 inches. Whew, your girl fist was too big. Right here along the side. Take this to your machine and you just sew all the way around, leaving this open, okay? Okay, so I took it to the machine and I sewed all the way around, leaving my opening here. And now let's turn it right side out. Just get your hand in there and you just work out those corners. So I have it right side out, and you see I still have my my opening here for turning. Now we're gonna close this up. So you just match all your seams up. If you want to iron it down, you can. If you want to finger press it, whatever, you know, it's just pretty much up to you. So what you'll do, what I'm gonna do is gonna make sure This is together. My opening here is together, so then I'll pack just like that. And I'm gonna take this to my machine and I'm going to sew all the way around. All right, and we are done with this. Check this out, look how cute this is. Let me get it right. We got your little cute box. Your cute box corners here with your strap, which is so freaking adorable. I love it so much. Look at that. And then when your kids go out, they'll be so proud because their mommy made them their own Halloween basket. You can also like personalize it if you have a monogramming machine or embroidery machine. Super cute. I feel like this is great because it's a 2-in-1. Just put that thing on out like that. Can flip it over like that and check you out. So freaking adorable. Love it. Do you see how simple this was? I know you're gonna love it. So as you can see, I added a little extra to it. I put some vinyl on it, cute little glitter vinyl, boo, because that's what I call everybody. Hey boo. If y'all know me, y'all know this me. Alright, so yeah, I just cut it out on my Cricut. Ironed this on her basket. So just to give a cute little, ooh, 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 yes, yes. So yeah, if you want to do that, hey, make this yours. Just make it awesome.